Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create Discord account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and search for discord.com/register. You can see that here on my search bar. So now just go ahead and fill up this form. You need to put your email, username. So I'm just gonna put that, and then your password and your birth date. So if you would like to receive emails about Discord updates, tips, or special offers, you can check this box. But if you don't want to receive any emails from Discord, just go ahead and leave this, okay? And now click continue, and you can just save your account here or no. And you want to check this I am human, and you need so that Discord can verify that you are a human, okay? So I need to click any shirts with a dog print. So now you can start creating your server, and you have already your account, okay? So you just need to verify your email so that you can secure your account, okay? So that is how you create an Discord account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you at the next one, and have a great day.